I learned this at a restaurant. This is the tastiest chicken I've ever eaten. I'll start by placing one whole chicken inside this pan. Next, I'll add a cup of melted butter, spreading it all over the chicken. I'll add 500 grams of small potatoes on the sides around the chicken. I'll season with the juice of 1 lemon, and after squeezing it, I'll place it in the pan as well. I'll add a teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, a teaspoon of dried parsley, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of paprika, and I'll add a drizzle of olive oil on top of everything. Now with my hands, I'll spread the seasoning over the chicken, just like I'm doing. Have you ever prepared chicken like this before? Using it whole? How was your experience? Tell us. Having done that, I'll cover everything with aluminum foil, and I'll put it in the oven at 200 degrees for 1 hour. After that time, I took our chicken out of the oven. Now I'll remove the aluminum foil. And I'll put it back in the oven and let it bake for another 20 minutes, or until the chicken is browned. And look how perfect our recipe turned out. Make it at home and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you'll love it. Remembering that this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. Guys, I'm sure you'll love this recipe so much that it will become a routine in your home. This recipe is perfect for a weekend, having a special guest. It fits perfectly. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.